Angels and demons, a pair of close friends who have been dating for over 6,000 years. They first met when they were in the Garden of Eden, inhabited by two humans named Mark and Tom. According to Christian mythology, a serpent that tempted Tom and Mark to eat the forbidden fruit and gave them the courage to leave the Garden of Eden was actually the devil. Even though the angel knew full well that it was the devil who had tempted them, he did not prevent the two humans from escaping since he was in charge of guarding the Garden of Eden, and even gifted them with rock swords. It is amazing that these two very different gods and demons contributed a part of their power together for the birth of the earth. They were stationed separately on Earth in the following years, and it would be more than 1,000 years before they met again. This encounter took place at a critical time in human history when God ordered Noah to build an ark and take his family and a large number of animals with him in preparation for a great flood to punish the sins of mankind. This order terrifies the devil, and the angels are unable to make a case against it. At the same time, the devil witnesses a unicorn fleeing in panic, thus revealing the reason for the unicorn's extinction. They continued to meet on Earth until a conversation in the time of King Arthur. During that conversation, they realized that their respective tasks conflicted with each other. Angels were responsible for performing miracles on Earth, while demons focused on spreading resentment. Their monthly performance was essentially equal, canceling out each other's efforts, and even deciding who was going to perform the tasks by flipping a coin. However, the demons left a deep mark by claiming they were responsible for creating World War II. For the next few centuries, demons prowled the earth. However, during World War II, the angel became involved in a spy operation to try and stop the Nazis. However, he eventually found himself a victim of the Ouija board. At this point, the devil breaks into the church and comes specifically to save his friend. He manages to reroute the German bombers, saving Angel and the church. While taking Angel's book, the angel repaid the demon's favor with a bottle of holy water, which the angel never gave to the demon despite the fact that he had been trying to get it for years because the holy water could kill the demon forever. The demon is then tasked with a difficult mission and discovers that the basket contains the son of Satan. If this awakened demonic force is unleashed, heaven and hell will be locked in a battle of destruction and the earth will be ruined. However, the demon does not want to see this end happen, so he delivers the baby to the church hospital where two pregnant women are in labor. Unfortunately, the devil made a mistake in the choice of rooms and sent the son of Satan to the labor room of an ordinary mother. That night, the hospital was engulfed in flames and the growing destiny of the son of Satan was redirected. The demon tries to work with the angel to stop the battle of Armageddon, but the angel's attitude seems to have reservations. Eventually, he proposes that the angels pretend to stop him, viewing his mission as a plot against the demon. The angel agrees to the suggestion, and they each infiltrate the home where the son of Satan is staying. The demon pretends to be a nanny while the angel poses as a gardener. The demon tries to instill evil, while the angel endeavors to instill beliefs of goodness. As the child's 11th birthday approached, according to Hell's plan, they plan to unleash Cerberus to empower the son of Satan with the power of destruction. However, when the child's birthday arrived, they saw no sign of the Hellhound. After several confirmations, they realized that Cerberus had gone to find its true master. The child makes a wish for a cute little puppy dog. It seemed that the battle of Armageddon was inevitable, but the angels and demons were unwilling to give up so easily. They decide to travel to the monastery and try to find the archives of the son of Satan. However, they discover that the archive has long been destroyed. On their way back, they happen to meet a woman, and originally thought it was just a minor incident. However, the angels noticed that the woman had dropped a book of witches' fables, and when they opened one of the pages, they realized that the book had predicted precisely the time when they had picked up the book, and even reminded them that the hot cocoa had gotten cold. Another page of the book shows the son of Satan's phone number as 666. The angels make a hasty call and discover that his parents are the couple who raised the son of Satan, naming him Mark, the son of Satan. However, they still decide to try to stop the Armageddon showdown. Splitting up into two groups, the angel possesses a female psychic and rides off in search of a physical boarding place, while the demon heads off to the environs of London, marching righteously on, even though the fires of hell have surrounded that area.